Well, here's a rundown of the top 5 bonus apps every new iPhone owner should have. Now, we couldn't let you go without telling you about Flashlight. Flashlight's a very nice little free app that just opens up into a flashlight. Now, if it's important for it to open immediately, then get the Flashlight app. There is a Flashlight in AppBox Pro, but the AppBox Pro logo comes up first. Next app is Tips and Tricks, iPhone Secrets. It's a book app that gives you efficient tips on how to use your iPhone. So you can save time by learning how to use your iPhone better. For example, here's a tip that when you're on Safari, that has a .com button, and if you hold it down, it'll give you the other choices of like .org, .edu, .net that are commonly typed in, so to save you some typing keystrokes. Now, this is one of the tips that's in the free version. The free version has 6 tips. The paid version is 99 cents and has over 100 tips. Now, the only complaints about the app seem to be that people can find the information free in Apple's documentation or elsewhere on the web, and that's true. So what you're paying for is the convenience of it being offline and on your phone. And I think that's a pretty useful thing to have. The next app we recommend is Words with Friends. Now, that has a free version and a paid version, and it seems to be a big smash on the iTunes App Store right now. Everybody seems to be playing it. And basically it's Scrabble online, but it's not played in real time. Whenever you make a move, it'll send a push notification to your opponent. And when your opponent does the same, you get a push notification. So you don't have to play when your opponent's around. You make your move and go about your business, and a couple hours later, maybe tomorrow, your opponent makes a move, and you carry on this game over a course of hours or course of days. The app's ad-based on the free version, and you can play any number of people. It's a lot of fun. The next app we recommend is the most popular Twitter management app right now on the App Store, and that's Twitbird. Twitbird is free. Twitbird Premium is $1.99, and Twitbird Pro is $2.99. And the difference between them all is more features and handling more accounts. The main page shows you everything that you can do normally on Twitter. You can go to your home and your direct messages, your favorites. You can look at your filters that you've set up on Twitter. And it gives you some extra tools, some push notifications, nearby tweets, for example. Check out the free version. It will... Oh, I wanted to go home, see my tweets. It's a really great Twitter app for managing your tweets. And last but not least is Vlingo. Vlingo is a voice recognition app that helps you do searches, but very interesting and a unique twist. What Vlingo does is it gives you an ability to speak a command word, and then it searches within that context. So for example, call John. Now what Vlingo's doing is searching my address book for John, and it will set up and make a call for you, and if it gets a good result, it will automatically dial for you unless you hit cancel. That's a pretty slick feature, I think. And Dragon doesn't give that to you, and Google doesn't give that to you. Another one that Google has, which I like an awful lot, Find Asheville Coffee Shops. The Find command searches maps. And this time it found House Sure Coffee Shops and Asheville Coffee Shops. So it couldn't tell exactly what I was saying, but it did find the one that I was talking about, and you tap it, and it will open up the Maps application on your iPhone and give you some pins of where all the coffee shops are, which I think is very, very slick, and neither Dragon nor Google do this. So that's pretty cool. Now, what a lot of people have complained about with Vlingo is that this voice recognition is not that good for them, and I don't know if that's still true. It seems to work very, very well for me, so it's free. You can see that there are some paid features by, you can get the email or SMS packages that paste your message into the email or SMS, or you can simply just use all the free features, 2 of which I've just illustrated for you. So that pretty much wraps out all the bonus apps and all the best apps that every new iPhone owner should get with their iPhone.